What's up, my people waiting this up? Portable aka Cap Africa just added a brand new Ford to his collection of luxury cars he owns with the money Burnaboy gifted him after winning Speedality in a boxing match earlier this month. This was Portable test driving his new whip as he has now taken it back to his hood in Ogun State to celebrate his new whip with his family and Zen Nation members.
Uncle Buna, Daddy Buna for me, more join him. Join him. Ah, sorry, idea. You know what you Burnaboy for me. Join him. Oh, yeah, you go. I say, you go. Oh, for me, you see, you go. You go buy, you go car. You go down buy, you go car. Hello, Sam, what is the only one I tell you? Go by lucky, go I like it. Hello, go fit me. One penny, one fat penny. Go there feed me. Hello, go feed me. Advance me, God bless Burnaboy. Daddy Burna, now you ginger me. I don't buy motor. See, the 30 million you wire for me, will give me. Now I use join money. You ginger me. I go use that and buy motor for unique motors. Unique motor. Now I may be in your ambassador before. We get issue when you roll 5 pounds. But now, I do lawyer because person is my that man is my helper. Unique auto. You give me motor when I don't have money. I pay. Same because they pay small. Now I don't have money. I have money. Now I need to go to Unique because I did lawyer. Is my boss. One thing I want get don't help my back below here. God bless Burnaboy. Chop and shake with Burna. For me 20 million. Low talk mo fowó kún. Burna. God bless Burna.
Ẹyẹ ń gbé wo lọ. Dábẹ̀ lílì.
Òsímọ́tò náà tí mi lè wà láyé yìí. Mo ti mọ owó ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Àtọ̀run ló ti kọ́ mọ́ mi pé mo máa lo mọ́tò yìí. Gbàtọ́ bí mi, ó sọ sínú súrà mi wípé Àbíbùlá ó máa lo mọ́tò yìí. Àkóyí bébí náà. Unique mọ́tò.
Báríjà yèrè lórí.
Adédi Basábẹ̀.
So now Portable don't add money to Burnaboy money to buy a new car for himself. What do you think about Portable's new whip? Let me know in the comment section. And now to popular music executive, who was also the former manager to P Square, has finally been released from prison after spending 2 months in prison, and this was due to Okoye reuniting with his family after 2 months in detention. See how happy and joyous his children and family were to see him, and they gave him a big hug to welcome him back to the family. If you don't know, Okoye was arrested by EFCC as at February for money laundering of over 1 billion naira, and after being taken to court, he was then granted bail of 100 million naira and some conditions as at March 2025. But since then, he has not been able to meet up with the conditions. But finally today, he was able to meet up with the conditions and has been granted bail. So happy for him and his family. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on celebrity gossip and entertainment news. And also make sure you like and share this video. Until next time, stay blessed.